cameraman.
Hi, Baking Diva.
Oh, look who he's holding. He's holding our bird, PeeWee, our yellow-crowned Amazon, and in the other carrier, he's got our little guy, Squeaky bird. That's our cockatiel. And since Christmas will be here in a few days, we are taking the birds to the bird salon. Right, cameraman?
Yes.
They're going to get their pedicures, and they're going to get their wings clipped, and they're going to get their little beaks filed and oiled because, you know, they're indoor birds. And cameraman, what will you tell me?
Uh-oh. These things can happen when they're wild.
Right. When birds are wild, they can do these things for themselves.
Right. They just sit down and, help each other.
Yeah, but when they're pets, you have to help them. So anyway, we're going to get them all beautiful for Christmas. We're going to the bird store now, and we'll see you later. Bye, cameraman.
Toodles.
The cameraman and I are at the bird store. We took Squeaky and we took PeeWee to get their pedicures and their beaks filed and oiled, and some of their feathers trimmed, because we don't let them fly all around the house. And now they're gonna look so beautiful. Here's all little treats. Little treats for the birdies.
Are you a bird?
The birdies even have their own Christmas tree. Here's some more toys. Here's all the food you can buy. All kinds of food in bins. Look at that. Oh, they even have Christmas stockings hanging for the birdies. Look at that.
The little baby seeds. That's improved.
Hello. Hello.
How are you?
Whoa, now you're talking. And we have Squeaky, the one you always hear chirping and talking in the video. She's going to get her wings clipped. She's getting a pedicure. She's getting her beak filed. It's her beauty day. Be a good girl, Squeaky. Getting her beak trimmed. It looks worse than it is. She's actually very happy when she's all beautified. Hello, PeeWee. You getting a pedicure?